Kani kadai ka Varsity TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kisamla puli Jong Skulbah Northeastern Hill University hagani ka shitiyaw lenter kini shimenta ha katayaw tamasa ka balatip kum ka Varsity Week arjar khat khandai. Yakani ka tayaw tamasa la sedang hak shiterek mentau benai leber arjar khat khandai da ka jingyalang ha multi convention hall Nehu ya ka bala play pai ba do pro vice chancellor ka Nehu u Professor Henry Lamin u balalong u kongsan ringkat kajingedon lang jong presiden ka LYRA uba BS Lengdo ubalalong usumbut kongsan u presiden ba general secretary jong ka Nehuta u Professor Xavier Moa bat kiwe kani ka Varsity Week ka balas dang hagani kasngi kan kut hadu ka arflai tarik mentau benai leber arjar khat khandai hagisngi banwan on sa pelong ya kajingele ka pair kuntup ya ki indoor but outdoor games.
It's pleasure and honor to speak in front all of the future leaders of the society. Nehu is a place where we gather knowledge, and it's also a place to learn new things like I was a part of Nehu myself, and I take pride in being a former Nehu student. Nehu has been able to promote a lot of leaders in different fields. Is to be against in the political, social, or scientific fields, etc. We all know the Varsity Fest is a time to get to meet new friends and also strengthen our ties and bond togetherness. So don't forget, that is the time to excel in other activities besides academics, but as we enjoy this fest, we must also remember that north-eastern regions, we are faced by a lot of issues and problems confronting our regions. You are already aware, and I have also seen that you have took active part in the rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. And I took deep pride in seeing the unity of the all standing against the draconian bill. Also, we must remember that this issue is not solved yet. That is why we as the region must stand united as one, not only CB, but also against influx that is destroying the demography of the northeastern region. And also, we must remember that our state in Meghalaya, in particular, face a lot of threat, not only against immigrants, but also against Uranium Corporation of India Limited, UCIL. As youth, as leaders of society, we have a great responsibility to take care of our indigenous people. There can be no greater honor that to protect your own people, but also let me not spoil the mood of the fest, because as youths, also we have this opportunity to take active part in different activities of the society. Excel not only in education, but also excel in sport activities, as this will be a pride and honor for your people. I conclude my speech by wishing you and all the students who are participating in various events the very best in whatever you do. Straightforward, son of the soils. Long live Nehu! Long live Nehu! want to share with you what the government of India wants from our future new generation. This is, they said, education, the present education we have should go along with some professional course degree where the student can acquire some skill after their study, after they acquire the degree. They should know how to sustain themselves. They should know how to stand on their own feet. They should learn some trade which will bring productivity and which will bring employment facility. And I think this is the right time where while I was sitting here, I observed how many students are talented in music, in dance, in creating, making the decoration, so many activities that really God has given to you. Please utilize them. Make it really fruitful in your day-to-day life. Education is one way in which we learn. As rightly said by one of the speakers, it is not only by within the four walls. Education is we have to learn many things in our day-to-day life. That is a real education. So I stand here with love and affection for you, and I pray that you will cooperate with us for your own future. I invite you, and I invite any good suggestion from the students. If we fail in any area that we could not manage, I seek your advice sometime in which I do not feel that I know everything. I am a human being, I have weaknesses. So I pray that the Almighty God will inspire in you that the work that you do today is your future for tomorrow, for our society and for our nation.
Please follow me. When I say I, you read the rest. I, as the coordinator, assistant coordinator, do solemnly affirm that I will be bear true faith and allegiance to the rules and established by Nehu for Nehu Varsity Fest 2019. I shall abide and uphold the integrity of sportsmanship, and I shall cooperate with other coordinators and the Nehu officials for the smooth functioning for the Varsity Fest 2019. So help me, God.
No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Whole countries. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion to imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Someday you'll join us, and the world will be still. จริงรู้จริงกันนั้นก็เป็นลองอย่างนี้
Bansanya hubay kahok yung sakit.
What I drink is kan dem rau shita. Ban bút ki kim tin sen ine ifa.
Lalo ka putay kayo iyami.
Sembo ching perka kin mat ya henti.
Tanya ka syara hagui ka batu.
What I bakan len what bu habo krum. Kamaya ka hapu bahin namin way upang bayang kangin. Heyap na
Kahok ka lupang ka putay
dapat kong yalahin.
Ikya ka handa.
Nên qua đêm cao hát ca chinh xa.
Ile
Đây vẫn sinh in ba là nên con.
Im thong sang ikya habakun ka